This is what we get to wake up to. A nice comfy bed, not on the floor.
Shut up.
My brother sent me a tweet saying that Samoa's had the best fried chicken in Valhalla.
Yeah, so beautiful, guys. Yeah. What do you need?
Yeah, I need your ID. It's so cool.
Thank you for the big man. Thank you. You see it? How beautiful. Is that good for you?
So beautiful. Look
That's
at my
good
car.
respect. That's good respect to us, guys. Whoa!
Wait.
Smells nice, guys. Oh, thank you. Got a free drink as well?
Hotel for a hot day. You can take one if you want to, maybe.
Oh, thank you. Cocktail for the hot day. Beautiful. Ooh. Yeah.
Guys, I can't believe it. It's so nice here. I could live like this every day.
Every day.
It better be nice with the price it was. So beautiful here. I can't believe how beautiful it is here. Like the service is amazing. You walk in, someone's bringing you cold towels for the heat and you sweat. Then you get cold thingy, then we get leaves. Like what the hell?
Make me look nice because like my face.
Going to our room now. Oh wow, isn't that beautiful? Oh wow, that's good.
Check it out. You'll see what I mean.
Yeah.
Wow. That is so nice. I can't believe it. This is what we get to wake up to.
Check it out.
I can't believe it. That is so nice. That's so nice. Oh, a bed. A nice comfy bed. Not on the floor.
Shut up.
I'm sorry, babe, but I prefer a bed over the floor any day. Wowee.
Fancy. If you need toilet, just lock here. If you need shower, just lock.
Yeah, I can see, but hello. Hi. I love it. I love it so much, guys. I love it so much.
Look.
Guys, look at all those flags dangling up.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Guys, they even got a Seki Eats here, like Uber Eats. How cool is that? Seki Eats. We're going for a swim now. The pool's over there. There's so many balangis there. They're swimming in the pool. Look, that's the chapel-y place where they have weddings out on the beachfront.
Now guys, we're going for a swim now. I'll show you guys the swimming pool. So we're going to swim.
Guys, it's so beautiful. Wow. Where should we go, babe? Guys, we just finished our swim. I'm actually quite tired. That was such a workout. Aussie's still swimming at the moment, but I've got water in my ears and I just can't get it out. But this place is so beautiful. It's even more beautifuler. Make my own words up. When the sun goes down, look at it.
What's up guys? And you know guys, I'm the only person swimming this swimming pool because no one's allowed here. It's only me. I'm the boss of here. Show you.
We're in the lobby now. We're about to go to dinner. Aussie's just on the phone to Mia. And we're going to CP Gourmet because that's my fave. because I love Seafood Gourmet. We're at Seafood Gourmet, guys. We were gonna go to the buffet that's at Samoa, but we couldn't really find like the prices, and although we're staying there, we're still on a budget, kinda. We actually haven't been. It's so pretty here. They really upgraded. They got uniforms for the workers now. I usually get the Works burger. I'm going to show you guys what I always get. It's so delicious, honestly.
When we came here in Samoa, we always came here and eat seafood comments. It's pretty good.
Did you have a nice time at the swimming pool?
Yeah, very nice. It's
Look,
so good.
Those people that usually just walk into the restaurants, and so he bought it. Then the second time I gave in to this little boy, he also came into Macca's and he was selling seas, and I just seen him again. He ran up to us when we pulled up and I was like, oh, I already bought a seed from you. So and he remembered me. The last one was Mervili Karinga. We gave in to them as well. I'm so excited to eat, guys. Are you excited to eat, Oshi? Look how nice it is. They've got lights up here and everything. Love me some seafood. Our food finally came after a long time, but they're quite busy, as you can see. So I got the Works side of chips.
I got a fish and chips with salad. So yeah.
Let me open my burger for you guys. Hold this back. It smells so good already. It's got bacon in there. Cheese and bacon. Yeah, Xavier, I found your little sis here. Annie Courtney. She came and said hi to us. Oh, how lovely. It's Ossie's neighbor that lives across the road from him in Vaitele. Back in the days, Oss, back in the days
when I was
a little more big.
For Miss Barbara. Okay, let's give it again. When I say make some noise, you gotta make some noise. So put your hands, your tits, your thighs, everything together and make some noise for Miss Barbara. Barbara, don't scare the kids.
What you're about to hear. No mistakes, no side effects. Pure
Guys, we're here at Samoa at Papa Night, but we met Guys, I went to vlog and Aussie was in the toilet in the background. But it was so nice to meet. Hey, it's Tara. She also has her own channel, so if you want to go and check her out. We didn't actually realize that they had a fuffa night or any kind of event on, so we went out for dinner. I do hear that Fia night's on Saturday, but Thursday nights are fuffa nights. I don't know what Friday nights are, but we'll soon find out. We got to get up early tomorrow because we've got to run some errands. We have last minutely been invited to one of Ossie's brothers, Becca. Some of you guys have asked where he is. And Talitonu's in New Zealand at the moment for seasonal fruit picking. And Becca has been in Apia because he's part of the Pacific Games. He's playing rugby. But one of his good friends is having a wedding. And Ossie's mum was invited. She couldn't make it, so we're going in place of her invite. Why can't I talk tonight? And Aussie knows him as well, like they're all boys and stuff, but it's actually Becca's friend. But we're really grateful, so blessed that you guys have made it this far with us. God bless you guys. We love you so much. You guys mean so much to us, and we hope you guys like this video, subscribe, comment. Whether you hate her or not, doesn't matter. Thanks for watching.
Going for breakfast, guys. As you see from here, lots of fruit, drinks, stuff.
We're eating breakfast now. I'm not feeling well at all, and my tummy is aching so bad. But
Aching only.
I know I actually don't feel hungry, but this guy's forcing me to eat.
Eat.
I'm gonna boil all this food out, so I just got some light stuff, and I got hot water as well, so I'm just gonna be sipping on hot water.
Yeah, the town guys doing some parkour for our last day here in Samoa.
It's not our last day.
Oi, looking for the South City. So we're still looking for the South City. But Snacky girl is not feeling well. She's not feeling well because she's got a tummy bug. Tummy ache. Achy tummy. Yeah. It's a busy. It's because the Pacific Games happening here in Samoa, that's why it's busy. Hey, what's up guys?
Hey guys.
Hi guys. You see our beers. It looks nice guys, hey? Snacky and snacky boy. So yeah, we're going to the wedding. You see how beautiful?
Actually, I think I got salmonella. Could have been the food that I ate last night. Still here at the wedding, guys. Don't mind my bra strap. Still feeling sick. Look guys, there are people up on the clock. We just came to get some pink drink for my tummy and some Nurofen. Hopefully that will help. But this bug is really ruining our last couple of days here. We had plans today that we didn't do. We just stayed in bed and then we obviously got ready. Tummy's hurting. We're at Samoa's Chicken now. My brother sent me a tweet saying that Samoa's had the best fried chicken in Valhalla. So we came to check it out. We're just in the front of it. It doesn't look like much is happening here, but I'm gonna go see if they're cooking. Guys, what's this big fat back? It is time to eat now. I'm so tired. My tummy's really sore still. But I just wanted to show you guys Samoa's chicken, and also it's boneless. Let me show you guys. But I'ma show y'all. So this is what you get. You get some boneless chicken with some chips, sauce and salad there. But the chicken is amazing. I've never seen chicken like this in Samoa.
Why decrease the lightning?
Oh, baby, you're so skinny. Bubby, you're so skinny. He knows who I am.
Yeah, sure.
Hi, Salsa. That's the dog that we had when he was such a little pup. And he remembered who I am because he's really go fit eye. He's really go fit eye, guys. So he clearly knows who I am. Don't you, Rock Rock? Yeah, whatever. Oh, whoa! Look at these pineapples. Damn! Whoa! Look, there's pineapples everywhere. Hello, Rock. He's gone so old and so bony. Why are you so bony, Bubba? They're not feeding you, huh? Hello, baby. Look how nice it is. I can't believe I used to stay here every single time. My dad's such a hardworking man. Guys, a lot of you guys compliment us on how we are raised. Well, mainly me because it's my channel, but my sisters are just as well raised. And all thanks to my parents. Learn to be grateful for what you have. It just really teaches you when you come back to the islands. Be grateful for what you have. Look, this is new. This wasn't here when I was last here. So nice. Look, there's pineapples everywhere. Pineapples, pineapples. It's like a pineapple island. We're gonna go and see the cows now that my cousin's been looking after. When my grandma died, we killed most of my dad's cows. I think there were 2 left or something like that. Yeah, now there's 6. There's pineapples everywhere, like even at the back you didn't see. I know I've said that so many times. because my dad went and bought a cow before we left that time that we came for my grandmother's funeral. And now we have 6. I'm not wearing the right shoes for this. Ow. What are their names? Hang on. I thought Honey died. Hello! I swear all of my dad's cows are all called Honey. Hey Honey! Is this the one that you bought from Lelva?
Yeah, this one.
Whoa, he's coming so fast. Wait. Which one did you get?
Yeah, oh my
god, I'm scared! They're so stinky.
this one. Black one.
What? It's so horny. The horns, I mean, guys. Get your mind out of the gutter. Hello. Hello. Oh, that one's so cute. Who's the mum? Are you the mum? Whoa. You just try and swim me. Okay.
Oh, what? Well, you sure probably didn't hear me before you.
Guys, I just found out Sissy's pregnant. To him. Go Sissy.
Back to up here.
We are leaving now, guys. We just left my family's home. We're going to go pick up Bekelo. Wow, look at Nofali school. I love coconut. Coconutty.
Nutty.
Oh, let's go there. Kalofai. Oh, we chose you because you have kids.
Oh.
We found that there's a lot of mules here in Apia rather than Sabai. They don't even have them at their markets anymore. But here, there's like every 3rd person on the side of the road. Gillo just got here. Oh, you can't really see me. Gillo just got here. So we're going to go get the umu from him. Give him his phone because we fixed his phone. Because the battery was faulty. It was a phone that we gave to Becca when he was back in Sydney. When we went to Sydney to watch him play, we gave them an iPhone to give to Ossie's brother, and the battery stuffed up, so we fixed it, giving it back to him, getting normal. He should come out this way, and then he's going back on the same boat. It's gonna die. Guys, we met a viewer. What's your name? Simeone. Oh, nice to meet you. Thank you so much for saying hello. I just had to babe, I just noticed, I don't know where Aussie's looking. I had to switch out the battery. Oh my gosh, it's so blurry. I had to switch out the battery because it died. But we said bye to Gillo and it was so sad, wasn't it, Aussie?
I love lava.
Oh my gosh, look at that. What happened? Bonjour, New Caledonia. The Chiefs. Go the Chiefs.
Go the Vikings.
Nah. Go the Chiefs. Wow, that is actually really nice. Eh, di yang makau.
Di yang makau. Bila aku kafe awak.
Oh iya.
Iya.
Ah. Faleasiu Micronesia.
Micronesia. Ya, oh my Micronesia here Faleasiu. Matang off here.
Guys, we came to Inalani's to get our favorite kekesainga. We only eat Inalani's kekesainga. If you do come to Samoa, make sure you check them out. But she recognized us and she gave us free kekesaingas. We're so blessed. Thank you so much. What was your name?
Mara,
Mara. So come here. Where is this place?
Vaisingano.
Vaisingano. And get Inalani's kekesainga. If you ever come to Samoa, make sure you try them. They're the best.
So we're here at the Macca's. Just having a fit here at Macca's.
Guys, it's so big here in the Macca's. I just want to show you guys around. Pan around, let's see.
Yeah, look around, guys. Hang around. Look how big it is. So big.
Yeah, it can fit so many more people. Yo, check out this car. You guys can't really see it from afar, but it's matte black. Damn, baby, it's so big. That's what she said. But look, the wheels and everything, it's just like so beautiful. Oh, wait, let them go first.
Oh,
baby, baby. Damn, baby. Damn. Wow, it's so nice. Damn. Guys, we just got our Coco Deluxe shakes. You know, we couldn't leave Samoa without trying them. My favorite. It's our last night here and we're just driving around. We're going to be leaving in a few hours, so we're just spending the night driving around town. Then we're going to slowly make our way to the airport. But we just drove past the market and they're still setting it up. And a lot of you guys commented and asked why we don't reenact our meetup and show you guys where we met. But the only issue is where we met was before the current market. I don't know if you guys know, but there was a big fire that happened in the Fungale markets, Makiki Guai. So the shop that he had at the time is no longer there, and the reconstruction of it is different as well. Where it used to be is where is when they've got like big kapolengis covering it. Kapolengi is like a tenty thing covering the stores. We honestly feel like our trip here was not long enough. Not long enough at all. We're so not ready to go back. But it's just another reason for us to come back and for me to visit my grandma. I'm really disappointed in myself that I didn't go and see her. We were just really busy. I went and saw my cousin, but I didn't go and visit my grandma. So I will definitely come back in December and see her. Oh my gosh, it's so loud. Sienna. Alright guys, we're gonna end off our Samoan vlogs here. Our last video here in Samoa. Actually, we'll probably vlog at the airport. And we love you guys so much. Shout out to everyone who met us, who said hello to us, who took photos with us, who acknowledged us. Everyone who watched our videos, who commented, liked, shared it. Thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. We really appreciate it. We honestly do. We would not be Siaosi and Victoria that we are today without you guys. So we also share that appreciation and our success with you guys.
peace.
Guys, we're at the airport now. It's 4 o'clock. We had agreed with Samoa Car Rentals that the person would be here at 4 to pick up the car and give me my passport because they're holding my passport. And when we called him at 3:45, he had just woken up. This person lives in a pier. Everybody's already starting to check in, but this is something that you cannot be, you can't whakamala on this. He said he forgot. How can you forget? This is your job. It's your duty, and especially if you hold people's passports. It's stressful to sit around and wait and be like, oh, am I gonna make it? Am I gonna make it? It's not a very good experience.